Okay, so it's 1:53 in the morning, and my package from Amazon did arrive. There we go. Okay, we're gonna need scissors for this, but that looks, it comes in a beautiful little case. This, there we go. Alright now. So, this is our heating element. This plugs in, it heats up to a certain temperature, and then we take this metal alloy and we touch this, will be twice the temperature of boiling water, and we touch it to the metal and it melts, and then we touch it to a gear. This would be the rosin, so that we use that to clean it off. These are basically, I think, different bits, little tools to scrape. And in the video I saw this rosin to clean off the drill bit was a bit larger. So put that back in here. But I'm sure we can find some instructions online. And that's that.